Alright guys, this is like my third time trying to record this thing, but I am going to show you how to make it 2D, not 2D, second person perspective. So basically you see yourself through another character's eyes. So, I do remember it being in old games like Driver, but you'd see yourself from the other vehicle's dash. Or, um, it's similar to a bit like Resident Evil, where you got your fixed camera in the corner, you see yourself through like a security cam. But I'm going to show you guys how to make it today. Hopefully it goes well. If not, then I stink. So, duplicate your third person character. Call it BP underscore AI. Open that up and head to the viewport. We are going to delete the camera boom or spring arm, if you will. And then we want to rename this to second person camera. Drag that into the mesh. And then we want to change the parent socket to head, like so. Make it 0 on the Z. And then on the X, we want a -90. Like that. And I think 10 on the X. There we go. So once that's done, we can look on the mesh and you can see it's using a BP Quinn. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is drag him in for now. You do that too. So he's ready for when we need to use him. And if you just click here, browse assets, you can take you right to them. You want to duplicate the money because Quinn is based off the ABP money as well. ABP underscore AI. And then you want to make a new pen. Cast to third person character. Get player character. And then we want to drag off here and get mesh. Oh, and from here we want to get socket location. Call this head and promote this to a variable. And call this target location or lock, whatever you want to do. Like so. And then we want to go to the anim graph. Move these across because we're going to need some space. And in the open area, right click and look at because for some reason, if you do it this way, it doesn't work. It would if you clicked off case sensitive, but just right clicking on looking for it is quicker. Click that in, that will convert itself. Same with that. And from here, we want to get born to modify. It's going to be the head. And look at clamp, we want 65. If you scroll down, you'll see a look at location. You want to click down on the bind and expose at pin. And you want your target location to go in there. Like so. Don't forget to compile and save. Let me double check. Got the head. Alright, yeah, the animation's done. So we can close this now. And just so you know, don't worry about his head being down. It's just because the third person character's not in his view. And now here in the BP AI, you want to change the anim class to the AI one. Compile, save. And in theory, he should look for me. There we go. Like that. Lovely. And I already have one of these down, but it's a nav mesh. You're going to want to need one of these for your AI character to figure out where it can move and can't move. So to get that, and to open up this green thing that you see now, so you know where it's moving and where it can't, you just want to press P. And to get one, you just want to go up here, search nav. I don't know why it does that. Nav, and then you'll find it here. You want nav mesh bound volume. Boom, boom. So once you get that in, and you get the character sorted so he can look at you, then we want to start doing his movement so he actually follows you. So that will be in the event graph of the AI character that we're making. And we can delete this. We don't need this. So get an event, begin play. And then we can get a custom event. Call it chase play. And we want AI move to. Cast. Get play character. Promote it. Call it player ref. Alright, and now we've got that variable for our player, we can get the player, right click, and convert that into a validated get. And when it is valid, you want to call the AI move. Once you've done this, and you put the player ref into the target actor and put on to be set, you want to call it up here. So call chase player this way. Alright. So obviously the AI is following us now. But what we need to do is have a second perspective. So not just this one. We're going to have the one where we see ourselves through that player's eyes. So let's do that. And we need to do that in the third person character. Let's get a key. In the top right on input key, you can click this and press any key that you want, it will change. Like that. Get item of class. And this is also going to be the BPAI. Get player controller. And then we want a set view target with blend. And that is how you do that. That's how you make a second person perspective. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.